The Supreme Court is nearing the end of its work for the term, and today issued a major decision in an affirmative action case and really a non-decision in a case involving immigration. In the affirmative action case, the court upheld the University of Texas's admissions plan that takes account of race in filling about the last quarter of its freshman classes. There was a majority of 4 on a court that only had 7 justices, and 4 justices said that the plan that the University of Texas uses that takes account of race does comply with the Constitution and does not violate anyone's constitutional rights. There were 7 justices in this case because Justice Antonin Scalia died in February and Justice Elena Kagan was not taking part because she worked on the case while she served in the Justice Department earlier in the Obama administration. So it was a bit of a surprise ruling in that while Scalia was still alive, there was an expectation that the university was not going to win this case. His death appears to have altered the outcome. At least it created a majority in favor of upholding the university's affirmative action plan. There are still other challenges to affirmative action that are pending in courts around the country, but surely the colleges defending those plans have to take heart from what the Supreme Court did today. In the other case, the court divided 4-4 over President Obama's immigration programs that were designed to extend protections to roughly 4 million people who are living in the country illegally. The 4-4 vote is not really a decision of the Supreme Court, except that it leaves in place the decision of the lower court that heard the case before the Supreme Court did. So in this case, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans sided with 26 states that challenged Obama's actions to protect immigrants, and the lower courts in this case ruled that the administration went too far in doing that. The president had wanted to extend protections to people who were in the country illegally, but whose children were either U.S. citizens or lawful permanent residents, and also to expand a program that applies to people who were brought to this country as children. So neither of those programs can go forward.